Alright, before this video even starts, do me a favor. Hit that like button and maybe subscribe if you're feeling froggy. Alright, welcome back everybody. Day 2. Got the cab still up in the air since part 1. What is leaking? Alright, yeah, like I said, I got 2 gallons of degreaser. Gonna be pulling this outside, spraying it down, and getting this all cleaned up because I hate working on these things when they're covered in oil and soot. You end up a different shade of, it's just disgusting. You get absolutely covered in everything and you feel gross. So, as I said, we got 2 gallons of Purple Power today, and boom, new turbos in. The borgwarner S369 SXE, which was kind of quick considering it was drop shipped through a completely different company, and everything else came right from Warren Diesel. This is a day after now that it showed up. All right. Warning papers. Yeah, we don't need those. Ooh, it actually comes with a gasket too. Look at that. So the gasket. Put this thing out here. Bolts. All right. Brand new. No more blowing up turbos. At least I hope not. This thing's pretty. Oh yeah. See if I can get you guys a size comparison. Alright, factory 0506 turbo compared to the S369, which is absolutely huge. Let's see if I can. At least I got room. Alright, turbos are all put away. Stock turbo laying around. Got my black truck outside. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing pulled out of here so I can get it sprayed down with degreaser and cleaned up. Alright, truck's now outside. I used our boat anchor of a 454 intake for a wheel chock. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing sprayed down and get her cleaned. Just to show you guys how dirty this thing is real quick before I clean it. Disgusting. Alright, so after about 2 hours of washing and cleaning, got the valve cover off, got the truck pushed back in the shop. Keep it up. Already found one loose oil reel torque screw. had the oil rail off, got to land on the ground there, upside down of course. And the reason I started with this side is I don't know if you guys can see the hold down Torx for the injector, but it's a little rounded out on number 8, I believe. Last time I did injectors on this truck, I told my friend, hey, bring over your long Torx bits. He didn't bring over long ones, and I had a really hard time getting that one tight. So yeah, I figured I'd start with the hard side first, but everything looks good so far. Alright, driver's side injectors are out. I did have one crush washer stick on the first cylinder up front. Got it out no problem though, just with a pick. Everything looks nice and clean. So yeah, it looks like this side's gonna go right back together, even though I thought that one Torx bolt, screw, whatever you guys want to call it, was gonna give me a hard time, but it actually came right out. So I'm gonna get those all cleaned up, get the new injectors in, and button this side back up, and then move over to the other side. Alright, new injectors are in, torqued down, ready to go. Just gotta install the oil rail and valve cover, and this side's good to go. Yeah, I believe that's it for this side. Oh yeah, Warren Diesel totally shorted me O-rings on this third injector here, so I had to get new O-rings for that. Like there was the bottom O-ring was on it, but the top O-ring was not on it, so I had to go get one of those. So always make sure you double check those, by the way. Alright, new injectors are in. Just gotta torque them down. Oil rails gotta go back on. You stay quiet over there. Alright, passenger side valve cover is all done. I'm actually going to hang the turbo, and the mosquitoes are starting to come out now because it's dark. And I think I'm going to call it a night after that. Which, the only thing I have left to do after that is the regulator return, fast fuel pump, and put the tunes in the truck, and that should be it. This thing should be ready to go. Alright, so the T4 kit comes with the pedestal mount, which, mind you, I am no diesel mechanic, nor am I a mechanic. I am a carpenter, I frame houses for a living. So I believe this mounts down in the valley. The pedestal goes on top of it. And then obviously the turbo. And then I believe it looks like it uses the factory drain. I don't know, I'm going to go ahead and get this thrown in there and then show you guys just the final result. Alright guys, just broke a bolt in the EGR delete kit. The block off plate that goes underneath the intake. So that's me calling it a night right there. That's the last straw. Tired, mosquitoes are out. I did get the billet plate on the ground, or on the valley, not the ground. Jeez. After a little bit of struggling and a couple busted knuckles, that's in there. And then of course, right after that, bolt breaks off in the EGR plate. So as always guys, there will be a lot more coming. Like I say every single time, I got so much to clean up in the shop. As always, like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. So excited to get this done. I'm sure you guys are too.